Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do my food diary spread in my B6 Walmart Pen and Gear Traveler's Notebook, and I will be using an insert, which is a planner from the Dollar Tree. And let's get started. So this is my previous week. I have not filled in Saturday yet, but this is where I'm at so far for the week. So let's move on to the next week, which is November 11th through the 17th. I have pulled out these washies to work with. I'm trying to do a color scheme that's a little different for me. So I pulled out washies that I rarely go to, if ever. I may not have ever even used some of these. I'm using this cooking sticker from JD in Brooklyn. Since this is a food diary, I figured this would be fitting to use the cooking stickers. Then I have some leftover stickers from a kit that's available in my shop at scrapcraftastic.com that I'm going to be using. And I also have the date covers that are available at scrapcraftastic.com. And I'm going to pull some things from the productivity sticker book from the Happy Planner. And let me go ahead and white this out. Let's start at the top. And I got this white out in like a 10 pack, I think it was. Let me see. Yeah, this is the Tombow correction tape white out, and it was a 10 pack. I got it on sale from Amazon. I don't think it's still on sale, but I will link to it in the description box below, because a 10 pack, if you're a planner and you do a lot of whiting out, then that will come in handy. Let's go ahead and find our header sticker. So I just briefly flipped through this and saw some stickers that would work. I think that Trust Your Gut would be cute, but I think I better go ahead and put down my washi on the days of the week. That way, if it runs over, it won't be a problem. If the words overlap, it'll be okay. So let's put this down. And I'm also going for a lighter color scheme because the last 3 weeks have been dark. Where is my ruler? There it is. Okay, I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, so yeah, the last 3 weeks have been, let's take a look back. See, it's kind of dark. I mean, I'm using black washi or dark colored washi. So I know it was Halloween and everything, but I just want to lighten it up, and I didn't want to go with another fall look. I just want to be regular. Just use some regular themed washi. Yeah, this washi is old. I can feel the adhesive. Yeah, and this is from a tube that I had from Hobby Lobby. And I think it was old when I got it because it was on clearance, so. That didn't cut. Let's place down our sticker. I think I'm gonna Well, I wish I had flipped her to the other side so I would have options, but I didn't, so. Oh, that one has an overlap. Let's go with this one. I don't have a 17 on here, so I might not be able to use those dates. Before I put her down, let me put the days of the week down so that she doesn't interfere. I could put them in the center. I think I'm gonna do that. That's different. Something we haven't done before. I think the next time I update these date covers, I might add a weekend version so that we can just have a weekend sticker. I think that would be nice. Or at least put like 2 or 3, maybe I can squeeze them in on the side or at the very top. We'll see. Okay, so she can go over here after all, and she won't be in the way. And I just messed up putting down her pot because there's a little crinkle there. There we go. So even though she's got on, wait, did I do the, that one wasn't cut right either. I can't believe I did that. Let's see. It fixes it a little bit. No biggie, let's move on. I think I'm gonna do the hydrate tracking this time. So I haven't been doing that, but I think it's a good idea. And I find that I do have room for it. So if you look here, I have plenty of extra room. So I think I should track it. Let's try to alternate these colors a little bit. Now the weekend is going to be a tight squeeze, but maybe I won't track it on the weekend. So I really don't want to put that black on there. Let's put this one here. And then I'll see what I can do for Saturday. I really wanted to use these numbers, but I'm not going to be able to have enough. I also could use these breakfast, lunch, and dinner stickers. And maybe I'll make some that are horizontal. That would fit. I think that would be nice. Okay, so that's it for the printable stickers. Now let's see if we can get this Trust Your Gut on here. See what we can get on the other side. gold foil. And since Monday is Veterans Day, I think I want to add a little more sparkle to this. So I'm going to get, let's see, I think I want to, it's not gold though. And then this is kind of clashing. So I was thinking I could use the white and gold skinny washi from Simply Gilded. So let's try that just to add a little something extra. And then we'll go in and do our numbers. I feel like I need something there, but there is nothing to put there. So it still gives me room to write down what I'm eating every day. Again, the weekends are always going to be a squeeze because they have the split weekend, but that's okay. So I'm going to use some of the dates out of here. I'm going to go ahead and white these out just to be on the safe side. I'm going to use my favorite date stickers from the Happy Planner. This is the smaller version. These are my favorites. Love them so much. Okay, so here we go. So I used this Paper Mate Ink Joy pen to color her jeans in because there was a miscut. I had the images overlapping and it took a chunk out of her leg. So I didn't want to leave it like that. So I just colored it in with that blue. And let's see. If there is a Veterans Day sticker in here, I will use it. And this is a Dates and Holidays book, so I don't see why there wouldn't be one in here. There it is. Let's see what the colored one. Oh, that's the perfect color. Let's use this. So we won't use gold. We'll use the teal color. I wonder if I should white out November, because this is so plain. Maybe I can put some stars and hearts up there to help that area a little bit, because it's so bright and cheery on that side, and then it's just like blank and dull over here. So let's give it a little, where are those stars at? Okay, I'm gonna leave that alone. It's enough of that. So I think that's it for this week's spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over on Patreon at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!